The volume of the prism shown below is 972 centimeters cubed. What is the length? So for this, the base area is the area of a rectangle, so it would be length times width. So I'm going to replace BA with length times width. In this problem, I know that the height is 8.1. So I'm replacing the height with 8.1. I know the volume is 972. And I know that the width is 5. The piece of information that I'm missing is the length. Now I'm going to use algebra to solve from here. If I multiply 5 times 8.1, I'm combining my like terms, and I end up with 40.5, and it's still being multiplied by L. And on the left side, I have 972. To solve it for L, I'm going to divide both sides by 40.5. These divide out, so L is remaining on the right side. And on the left side, when you do 972 divided by 40.5, you get 24. These were measured in centimeters, so the length is 24 centimeters.